We have a lot of problems here in Otterby with the waxing, and today I also have a bad ski like yesterday, and it doesn't fit for the quarterfinals. That's a little bit bad, but yeah, it's okay. All in all, we have really hard times because we are a very young and minimal team, a small team with a lot of young athletes. I'm the oldest one with 24, and because the older ones like Christian Hoffmann and Tauber and Botvinov quit the races, they're in rent, and so it's a little bit difficult, but I think in a few years the whole team will grow again, and maybe in Sochi we have a team for the relay, maybe. The only girl who fly to Vancouver is Katharina Smutner from Austria. And I'm really sad about it, but it's okay. This year I made my first distance points in the World Cup, and this year I also have my first time in Tour de Ski, and it's a really tough program, and now I'm a little bit tired, too tired. No, I don't think because 3 years ago we got a new trainer, and it's the old trainer of Angerer Tobias from Germany, and so I think all in all we trained the last 2-3 years a little bit the German method, and so. But in Austria it's really good to train because we have in Ramsar am Dachstein there is the Gletscher, and it's really good, and the snow is also good. I think it's a good place to train and to make the sport.